So we're gonna stake some of the plants. First thing you need to do is get a good stick, and hubby's got plenty of sticks under this pecan tree. And you need some scissors and string. And so scissors, check, and we're gonna use this little burlap string, or not burlap, but y'all know what it is. Leave it in the comments below. Y'all know what it is. With that little string, but you can use anything from, you can use nylon stockings to all kinds of stuff. So hubby's just out here staking these. So he found some really great sticks. And these are bean plants, and so what was happening was they were breaking because they get, see, they get too tall and then they start to lean. So you really need to stake them so that they don't hurt themselves and they can grow. Just got to keep your plants happy. So there's this one also. Okay. And then this one. Yeah, gotta find a good stick to use. Yeah, he's breaking away. This one is really curved, so it won't be good. And this one might be good. I don't know if you saw this one. We'll see. You kind of want them a certain, because they're baby plants, so you kind of want them not to be too thick. But yeah, we got this pecan tree, so we often get really good sticks from there. And then hubby's just cutting string. To the garden. Ooh, bless you. Ah,
it's time to grow.
You're 2 weeks ahead of me now.
that's our neighbor. we're in zone 7, so you have to wait until the ground got kind of warm, and then it rained and rained and rained. It was just too muddy. You couldn't even get out here. So this is how you stake beans. Stick your stick in the ground, and then you take your little string or rope or whatever you're going to use and tie around it gently. Some of them are kind of pulling up from the dirt, so you want to go ahead and correct or fix anything, any issues that you find. Push the soil down. So we got 2 more. Oh, my shadows. That one and that one over there.
Touch him.
He's leaning.
No, he's sprouting at the bottom.
See what they gonna do.
Yeah, he's sprouting. One of the big ones. Sprouting at the bottom. Got a bean coming too. Interesting. Let's see, tiny one up.
Need a longer stick. Let's see if I can find one. Kind of curvy, but it might work. Take these over there and see what he says. Kind of knobby. Let's see. How about these? Any of these? Back at the garden. Down in the garden. Ooh, look, look, look. Got some stakes. Isn't that pretty? You know, gardening is so peaceful. I don't know. I just feel like you are just one with nature. It's just quiet. You can hear the birds. You can hear the plants talking to you. Stake me, stake me. You know? There's a bean growing on one of them, and then we got a few little insects on that one, so that was good to see. So we'll know. We got some 7, so we can put it on there. That's what my folks used. 7 powder. I got from Walmart. But yeah, they're all staked. Let's see if you can see them. Uh-oh, I think I'm stepping on something. But yeah, see how much better they look now? The sun. Yeah, there you go. See how much better they look now? Just trying to get around the sun, guys. That's gonna look nice, and that is how you stake beans in a raised bed. And you can stake it the same way if you just plant it in the garden as well. But look how nice they look. They look happy. They look happy. Happy, happy, happy. Now, what do you use to stake your plants? Let me know in the comments below. I'd be happy to hear what we'd be happy to hear. There's one over there. I don't know if you can see for the shadow, but there's one over there that's leaning. So we're gonna get him all staked up. See if I can get you a better shot. See now? It's all staked up and happy. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. And snap your fingers if you only have one hand because you're recording. Alright, guys, that's our adventure today in the garden at Craft Farms. Hope you enjoyed how to stake up a bean plant. And yeah, hope that you will share with us any tips for growing beans in the garden, or if you tried to grow beans before, or if this will be your first time. We'd love to hear from it. Be sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, Patreon, and YouTube at Craft Farms, and all the links are below. And Milton and I will see you in the next video. Bye bye, guys.